I know I am.
But as long as you say the gala, then it's fine. Like as long as you say you're going to the gala too.
Should I just say we're invited out to the gala?
Yeah, like you can say that you got invited to the gala like for this, and like you're in the same couple.
Yeah. Right, the problem is, just you think just
but it was like done.
Sorry, excuse me. I know this is really random. We got invited out to the gala tonight. We do like TikTok, social media stuff, and we kind of like do little things with some influencers, some A-listers. I saw your boat on the dock. I know it's a long shot, but do you think there's any chance, like 5 minutes later, you could show us it for a little bit like for our social media?
Later today, 5 minutes, we just.
What time?
Whenever works you. You don't even have to be there if you want to have someone on the crew do it. But like, obviously, it'd be great if you were there.
Yeah. I'm trying to think what time I would need to be around.
It can be, if you're busy today because of the gala, we could also do it tomorrow if that works better.
Yeah, probably tomorrow around 7 would be better.
Okay. Did you want to take my number? My name's Sam. Nice to meet you.
Aaron.
How you doing, Aaron? Where you guys from?
I'm from England, actually, yeah. But I kind of been traveling around the world for like the last year, and I do my content all around the world, different countries, and.
Well, let me have your number.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't want to disturb you guys. I feel like.
Fine. What's your number?
Let me type. Can I type it in for you?
Put it in the notes.
Yeah, that's the British area code. iMessage or WhatsApp both work.
Great.
And if you don't want to text me from your own number, just have whoever message me.
Right,
Thank you again. I really appreciate you. Yeah, it's fine. He can text me. I'll send them. Thank you.
Alright, that went well.
It went better than expected.
Yeah, he even said tomorrow 7 p.m.
He said that. He said it's hard.
No, he said yeah, around 7 p.m. tomorrow.
Right, if Dr. Phil brings us on his boat tomorrow, yo, chat, how was the Dr. Phil riz? Like, was it okay? I was nervous. Could you tell I was nervous?
No, I heard it, but his neck, like, he had to turn all the way.
And he did it in slow motion.
It was like that.
Yeah, bro, he did it in slow motion. I tried to just be like as natural as I could.
Yeah.
Yo, thanks. Shout out to Paul as well for like switching up the routine there. Because if we would have went with the other one, it would have just been a funny interaction, but we wouldn't have got anything else out of it. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what he has?